Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter of English course book, that is chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is How the Sun Was Rescued. Now students, can you tell me what is the meaning of rescue? Yes, to save someone's life from danger. So students, in this story, we will read what happened to the sun, who stole the sun, and then who saved the sun from the danger. So students, take out your textbook, open chapter number 3, so that we will begin today's story. Now students, I am reading the lines. Listen it carefully and repeat after me. Okay? So be ready with your textbook. Once upon a time, some evil spirits, evil means bad spirits, bad forces, stole the sun from the sky. All the animals decided to call a grand meeting to get back the sun. Now all the animals were worried because they were living in darkness. That's why they decided to call a meeting to discuss the solution of getting back the sun. The wise old raven said, wise means clever. My friends, how much longer must we live in darkness? I have heard that close to our land, in a great cavern, live the evil spirits who have stolen the sun. So, the animals know that the sun was taken by the evil spirits, and the evil spirits lived in cavern, means a large cave. And where did they keep the sun? They keep it in a white stone pot. So the sun was in a white stone pot in a large cave. We must get back the sun. I advise you to send the biggest and strongest among us so that we get back our sun. The big polar bear to fetch the sun. Yes, the bear, cried all the animals. They were calling the bear so that he would go there and bring back the sun. Oh, no, 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 cried the owl. Owl was a wise animal. So he shouted, no. As soon as he finds a bit of food, he will forget all about his job. Now students, can you tell me who is he here? Yes, he refers to the polar bear. So the owl said that if polar bear finds a bit of food, then he will forget all about the work and he will be busy in eating that food. Then how will we get our sun? So he refused. With that, they all had to agree. All the animals were agree now. The raven spoke again. Then let's send the wolf after the bear. He is the strongest and he is much faster. Then again, fiddlesticks, snapped the owl. Fiddlesticks means nonsense. This is a nonsense idea. I am not in favor of this idea. Who said? The owl. That wolf is greedy and will stop at first deer. If he will see the deer in the forest, then he will busy in gobble. Gobble means eat something very quickly and he will forget the purpose. Then he will forget all about rescuing the sun. Hearing the owl's word, the animals had to agree. Now again the animals were in favor of the wise owl. Just then, the tiny mouse raised her squeaky voice. Squeaky means making a very high sound. He shouted, we should send the hare. He is the best runner among us. He will fetch the sun back for us. Once more, The birds and beasts cried out, the here, the here, the here. Now today we will read till here only. Read the chapter. Try to understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.